Hello and welcome to Too Many Projects with your host, me. That's right. As you know, I haven't been uploading lately. That's because there's so much going on. I have taken on way too many things. In addition to taking on way too many things, I've taken on way too many other things. So one could say I've taken over many things. So I thought today I would go over the list of projects that I have going on currently and the list of things that I am currently doing. First of all, I'm making Christmas gifts. Over here, I have a mess of stuff that needs to be put away. Over here, more mess of things that need to be put away. Right here, I've been working on the gas tank for the Honda Magna, which is still over there in its current taken apart state. Engine there, and gas tank there. Need to finish that. I have this. This is a sign that I need to continue and finish putting up. That goes on the outside of the shed, right out here. I did finish one thing. I winterized my motorcycle, but as you can see, I'm still missing parts. I don't have a lens for this, but I still have to remove the battery so that tender? I might be able to put this on a tender for the winter, but removing it would be easier. And I can't turn the key on, but you can see this light is actually an LED, and it is red, and it lights up red when the brake light's applied. However, I would like to actually put a lens on this so that it stays waterproof and doesn't ruin that connection. I have this whole area that needs to be reorganized, all of that, and that's just what's in the shed. For the next little bit of stuff, we're going to need my headlamp. It's very windy outside, so you probably won't be able to hear me, so I might dub over this next part. It's very windy outside. But I'm going to try and talk over it, but if you hear me dubbing, that's why. Alright, out here, my backyard. I have this motorcycle that I need to replace the carburetor on, which I haven't ordered because I'm lazy. This is not going to be worked on until next year at least. We've got my 71 pickup right here with a bunch of stuff in the back that I need to take to the dump. We have my newest addition, a 2013 Dodge Dart with brand new wheels on it. This still has a little bit of a leak. I might just get rid of it with the leak. We don't know yet. The inner fender liner for the driver's side needs some pins put in it. The bumpers need to be sanded and buffed. Couple things. I need to clean the yard. I have this hunk of junk. This is a 2003 Chevy Silverado 1500 standard with a 4.3. The 4.3 is dead. It is not starting. I believe it is a distributor issue. It wants to fire on one cylinder. Haven't decided how to go about doing that yet. I'm probably going to check the Hall effect sensor. All of this area right here needs to be cleaned up. All of my oils, greases, and whatnot, and my saw need to be put away. And these oils need to be taken to a recycling. All this stuff needs to be picked up. All that stuff needs to be picked up. All of that stuff needs to be picked up. Minus the pumpkins. It's almost Halloween. This whole pile is just various things that need to be put away into their proper place. I need to find a spot for my trailer. This is a car dolly that I bought. Chairs need to be put away. Hi, Tucson. Yep, big yawn. It's almost midnight. I need to put this wood somewhere. I need to probably sell this or finish repairing it. Lots of things to do on this. 2007 Chevy Suburban. I still have the Pontiac Vibe. I have a bike we haven't used in a while. Kid's scooter. A weed eater that doesn't work. Hasn't worked in like 4 years. This hammock I need to put away. My wheelbarrow needs to be put away. Random piece of plywood. Lots of sticks from a tree that I fell. We are back to the Dart and a tarp that needs to be put away. In addition to those things, I also started a vending machine business. Not a vending machine business. I picked up 6 vending machines. So I have those that I have to constantly go check and restock and whatnot. I've got my full-time job, and then I've got my Turo rentals, computer work, phone repair, lots of things. So in addition to all the things that I've shared already, I have like 17 miniature projects going on, and those are just taking up a lot of time. Nothing I think is worth filming, but if you guys are interested in it, then by all means leave me a comment, and I would be more inclined to film those. And I was thinking that I could do a day in the life video, just one of my days off from my regular job. I was thinking I could do that. That might be kind of fun. If you guys want to see that, then leave a comment down below. I'm going to start tonight with a few projects. I'm going to try and get this all picked up, at least the best I can, while continuing my projects. The gas tank, I think I will probably put away for now because I need to get a welder that actually works. My welder works, but it is awful. These are the kind of welds that it's leaving. And that's just because it's awful. Anyway, leave a comment down below if you guys are interested in seeing these things. I would be willing to film and see what you guys are wanting to do. And I just go from thing to thing to thing to thing to thing so quickly that, like, if I film something and I'm like, oh hey, maybe I should do this. If you have suggestions on how I can manage my time better, then I would love to hear it. Definitely not a bullseye, that was a 6. Thanks for watching, thanks for liking the videos, thank you for subscribing and clicking that bell. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.